my party villa, Mykonos. Bad? We're gonna enjoy sunset over here. It's very beautiful. Oh, Mykonos, so windy. I love it. Here's a romantic jacuzzi. Woo! I mean, it cannot get more romantic than that. People are fighting for the sunset spot. We got one of our own. They need the rest of this. Show you around. That is super comfortable. We have plenty of storage space over here. I love this piece. Love it. Love it. Shower. We have a little closet area. A little kitchen. We can enjoy a bottle of wine or espresso. It depends what you love about Mykonos. I think we're going to the beach. So it's kind of time for you to go.